So let's talk about the requirements for closing for success. Okay. Now, if you are literally missing any of these 7 requirements, then you will not get the referrals. I promise you that. If you are just even missing just one, okay? Now, if you are able to get a referral, that's what we call luck, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about the requirements. First of all, when you're closing, you need to be talking to that decision maker, all right? Number 2, you better have the wherewithal about all your information, and you should be able to, at the same time, as give that to the decision maker. There are sometimes when you're going to go to a doctor's office, where the doctor really doesn't care on who they refer an agency to, all right? Or I'm sorry, who they refer a patient to. It doesn't matter. Some doctors' offices, it's the office manager. So you need to be able to learn who's who, and that's where the prospecting part happens. But this particular presentation, we're talking about the close right now. All right. You first of all, also number 3, you need to be sold on the product. What's the product that you're selling? If you're a medical home health agency, you're selling, pretty much, services for Medicare clients or for insurance-based clients. First of all, you need to be sold on the services that you have. I've seen great marketers out there, but the biggest problem is they start realizing as they're marketing their company that the management is not doing a good job, the nurses are not doing a good job, and eventually they start believing that the product that they're offering is not good. And so if you are to become successful at this industry, you need to be sold in your product. And if you're not sold in the product, you better figure out a way to be sold on it. Whether you start working with an organization to help them improve something, because I've seen great marketers out there do such a good job, yet they get referral sources left and right, but eventually the management team or the nursing team messes things up, and then they lose a referral because of that. And you as a marketer or liaison should not be penalized for that. Number 4, you need to believe in you. When you're out there presenting in your company, you have to understand it will literally show if you believe in yourself, if you have, that confidence in yourself that you're going to be able to get that referral. Tony Robbins, would explain to people and tell a story that in the beginning of things, or even until now, before he goes into a presentation, he'll pump himself up. He'll literally start saying positive things, or you're going to do this, you're going to be great. You need to believe in yourself, or you need to be able to find that snap on how you can be able to turn yourself around, to be able to show people that you believe in the product and you believe in yourself, and that you should be the person they should be working with. Number 5, confidence in the product, right? Once you are sold in your product, you believe in yourself, you'll be confident that whatever services you have will be actually delivered correctly. Number 6, you must have a written offer. I've seen where people actually do presentations and they don't even bring brochures with them. They don't even have a presentation folder. If you don't have something that's written down, it's going to be hard for you to be able to close, right? People will most likely believe something that they see or that is written out rather than on what somebody is actually telling them, all right? So number 6, you must have a written offer. And number 7, you have to be able to show them some urgency and create urgency to the people that you're presenting to. And there's a variety of different ways of being able to do this, but definitely creating urgency that you need to act now to start referring patients to you. And what I want to be able to do is I will be showing you guys and explaining to you guys, you need a few techniques on how to be able to create some urgency to be able to get people to start referring to you.